How to screen record with sound on iPhone. To screen record on your iPhone, first of all, swipe down the control center from the upper right. Here, you will be able to access all the quick controls of your iPhone. From here, tap on the screen record option. You can also keep your microphone on while screen recording on your iPhone. Turn it off when you don't need it anymore. While your microphone is turned on, the screen record will also add your audio to the screen record. While you're screen recording, everything on your screen, including notifications, will also be recorded. To avoid unexpected notifications, turn on Do Not Disturb before screen recording. There you go, you are all set for the screen record. By following these simple steps, you can easily screen record with sound on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.